In this video, you will discover the wonders of Spain, which will include the cities of Madrid, Barcelona, Malaga, Seville, and last but not least, Granada. These are some of your best destinations when you're visiting Spain you must see. We'll see you in Spain very, very soon. Coming into Madrid. Tapa. Having some paella. Salud.
No paella para nosotros.
No paella. He doesn't like the paella. Salud.
Con mucho gusto para estos amigos que están visitando Madrid. Desde una compatriota venezolana en Madrid, España. Exacto.
This is the entrance to Plaza Madrid, Spain.
Ciao Gabriele.
Good morning from Madrid, from the bus. Hola. You enjoying your vacation?
Yes.
First time in Europe, eh? All right. Oh yeah, we've never been there before. We don't even remember the hotel. There's the guys that saw all the fake stuff in Spain here. They have those long ropes, they just grab it and run when the police come. All the famous knock. This is the famous church, Gaudi Church in Barcelona at nighttime. Private vineyard in Spain. We are visiting. Almost ready to pick the crop. Almost ready.
Welcome to Malaga. Bienvenido a Malaga.
Malaga, we're in Spain. All right, first time for Romer and Maggie in Europe. Sardines in Malaga. Very nice. This is the happening place here. How is the sardines?
Sardinitas, delicious.
Sardinias.
I love them. Delicious.
Que rico!
Qué rico.
And Romer's not eating any sardinias. Yum. This is the sexy bomba. Sexy bomba. We're gonna try this out here in Malaga. See how it is. Marbella, Spain. Seville is world renowned for its beautiful architecture, monuments, flamenco, and tapas scene. This lovely Andalusian city oozes a rich history through its quaint neighborhoods, historic churches, and palaces. You will be blown away by the incredible sights Seville has to offer you. Granada is a city in southern Spain's Andalusia region in the foothills of the Sierra Nevada mountains. It's known for grand examples of medieval architecture dating to the Moorish occupation, especially the Alhambra. This sprawling hilltop fortress complex encompasses royal palaces, serene patios, and reflecting pools from the Nasrid dynasty, as well as the fountains and the orchids of the Generalife Garden.